So today we will teach you mixed sauce pasta. Which one? Mixed sauce pasta with all vegetable, healthy vegetable. Okay. So now we will start it. First we will add some butter. Okay. Butter is optional. If you have some oil, you can use oil also. Okay? Then butter will melt and you can add some garlic. Okay? After the garlic will brown, we will add some sauces. This is a white sauce. Yes, pink. This is not pink, this is the red sauce. Mix as well. Sorry? Yes. Which pasta do you like? Penne or fusilli? Okay, penne. Then we will add it mixed together. Penne and fusilli, okay? Little bit of corn, little bit of broccoli, little bit of yellow and green chutney, add some bell pepper, then mushroom.
I love.
You love mushroom? Then we will add the spices. Little bit of salt, little bit of chili flakes, oregano, and little bit of parsley and Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese is very important. Oh, nice fragrance. If you feel the fragrance, don't anyone one day. Thank you. Yeah, pasta is ready. We are finished with the pasta. Wow. It's there. Pasta. Parmesan cheese. Now pasta is ready. Which one is right? Right?